Hi there, welcome back to our channel. This is Mo from UPDF, and today we're going to talk about how to make a PDF on your iPhone and iPad. And the tool we're going to use in this video is UPDF for iOS. So before we jump into the video, make sure you've installed the UPDF app on your iPhone or iPad. You can simply get it from the App Store, or if you click the link in the description below, you'll find a link to install it. Right, so let's get started with how to make a PDF on your iPhone or iPad with UPDF for iOS now. So first of all, let's learn how to make a PDF from scratch. With UPDF for iOS, you can have all the features to customize your PDF, from adding text, images, shapes, stickers, and even generate content with UPDF AI. I know you're very curious to learn about them all, so let's jump right in. First, open the UPDF app on your iPhone or iPad and click the plus icon, then click Create PDF. Next, select the paper style you want for your PDF. UPDF offers you various paper styles. You can just select any according to your needs. If you want to add more pages to your PDF, tap on the arrow down icon at the left top side, then select Organize Pages in the drop down menu. Then all you have to do is click Insert and click Insert Blank Page. Once you're all set with the basics, you're ready to add up the content and design your PDF to make it look better. Let's start by adding texts and images. You might feel like it's really hard to add different styles and sizes of images and text to your PDF on iPhone or iPad, but that's really not the case. With UPDF for iOS, adding content to your PDF is super easy. Here's how you can add text and images to your PDF. Just click on the text/image button, then click on the text icon and add a text box on the page. You can move it around or resize it by dragging the corners. You can also change the font and the color of the text. Now type anything in the box after setting. To add an image, tap on the image icon. You can have 4 options to upload the image. Here I tap Photos. Just select a photo from your gallery, resize it or position it wherever you want on the page, and here you go. Now when you create the PDF, you need to also write the content for it, but sometimes it's difficult to write the whole content on your own, and here is where UPDF AI becomes useful, because you can use the AI that is built in to generate the content for you. Just click the menu on the top right corner and open the AI assistant in UPDF. Go to the chat mode and ask it to generate text, create outlines, or brainstorm ideas for your PDF. For example, you can enter what are the advantages of using UPDF, and you can get the results in seconds. Then all you have to do is copy the content that you produced and paste it into your document. With all of these features, you can make a PDF from scratch from PDF per your need. Sometimes you might have a lot of photos that you want to use to create a PDF with them on your iPhone or iPad, and with UPDF for iOS you can do that easily. There are 2 methods to create PDF from photos, and the first one is to convert the image to PDF, and the other is to scan to PDF. And here is how you can do both. Open the UPDF app on your iPhone or iPad and click the plus button and choose Photos. Then select the image you want to convert to PDF from your gallery. Now tap on the Add and you will find the image in the UPDF home interface. Just tap on the 3 dots icon, select Convert to PDF, and now your image is converted into PDF and will basically just open automatically. If you don't have images taken on your iPhone or iPad, you can directly take them in the app and convert them into PDF. Here is how. In the UPDF app home interface, tap on the plus icon and select Scan. Just use your phone's camera to scan the document. Make sure the edges are aligned. UPDF will auto capture the image, you don't have to do anything. Or you can tap on the button to make it manually if you want. You can take all the photos. Once you're done, click on the arrow icon and edit the image. You can adjust the scan by rotating, cropping, resizing, adding filters if you need. You can also add more pages by tapping on the add button, or finish by saving your PDF. And that's it. No matter if you're converting your images from your gallery to PDFs or just scanning them and converting them into PDFs, UPDF on iOS makes it very quick and very easy. Now you might have a question running in your mind, why not just choose another tool? Well, let me tell you why it's the best choice. UPDF for iOS is one of the most budget friendly PDF tools out there. Like, just to put that into perspective, UPDF is only 17% of the cost of Adobe Acrobat, plus all you need is one license, and then you can access the same software on all platforms and softwares: iOS, iPadOS, macOS, Windows, Android, whatever you want really. And not only that, there is more. You can use one license on 2 phones and 2 desktops at the same time. UPDF also allows you to create PDFs from scratch and from photos, and then allows you to add other content such as text, images, shapes, stickers, and a lot more to design your PDF. And UPDF's AI makes creating PDFs even easier. Stuck on what to write? Well, that's not an issue, because the AI can help you create text or ideas for your PDF. Want to translate the content of the PDF into a completely different language? AI can help you with that as well. With so many benefits, there's just no reason not to use this tool. Do not wait, just download the UPDF for iOS on your iPhone or iPad now. I hope you found these tips useful on how to make PDFs on your iPhone and iPad using the UPDF app on iOS. Before you leave, don't forget to like the video and comment if you have any questions, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to not miss any updates. And thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.